Good afternoon everyone, welcome to Paramount Sweetlet Farm here in the Philippines. For today's video, I would like to share to you my ongoing project. I was not able to visit this project for almost 3 weeks since we're having our vacation or tour in Japan for almost 2 weeks, and for now I would like to show you my ongoing construction of additional sweetlet here, because my existing bird's house is overcrowded with birds. So I would like to make another bird's house, so that I can accommodate those birds that don't have space to make their nest. So this is the area I'm gonna show you. The area, this portion here was affected by the landslide last 3 weeks ago or 1 month ago, and they are now aligned the columns, and they already remove the wallings that was disaligned, and this is the new pile of hollow blocks, and I hope they can continue this. And after we excavate the portion of land that was landslide, there is also additional landslide. So we're gonna hire a backhoe again to level this portion. And this portion of land is the landslide. So I gonna put this in the other part of my flooring, because those area there is low in elevation, so I have to level this one. This area here, as you can see, that area, I would like to remove that and place it there, because that portion is lower in elevation. So I'm gonna remove that or bring it to the other side, so that I can level the flooring. And as you can see, they are already piled hollow blocks. And this area here, before I left, this area was not piled by hollow blocks. So this is the area I gonna put my my door, and that is also the area the filed already hollow blocks when we're not here. And I would like to show you also my existing bird's house. That is my existing bird's house. Today at this time is about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. There are some birds, but not so many, unlike 5:30 that they are about to go inside the bird's house. You can see a lot of birds that time. And this is also another bird's house, is almost completed. And this is the area my ongoing construction. We have piled already hollow blocks, and this building, I will make it 2-story building, so that I can accommodate more birds to make their nest. And that area also, we have soil, or we get that from the landslide. That's the land or soil that disaligned my building, and this is also the shade, so that during sunny day they work on under the shade. So this is the area this is our sand. Some portion of the sand was mixed by the clay, because during the time that we excavate the portion of landslide, they are mixed, and this area here is already widened because of the landslide, and we excavate those portion. And I have already a big parking area here. I can easily manage to turn back. This is my stockpile.